Hello, Jace Fugate here with another session of the Introduction to the Go Programming Language course. We're going to be continuing our talk on slices. So I'm going to show you another way you can actually create a slice. So you can actually create a slice from another slice, just like you could create an array from another array. It differs a little bit. We'll talk about those nuances a little bit in this video and in the following video. So let's go ahead and create a slice. So let's say first slice. And in fact, let's do even more short. Let's just do S1. Let's do integers as I like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be mad at me because I'm not printing it out. I'll say this is S1 equals S1. Oops, forgot a comma. There you go. Let's run this. So it prints out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can create another slice, say S2, by putting it equal to S1. Oh, I'm not printing it. Let's fix that. S2. There you have it. It's just identical. As well, if we wanted to, we can make an array1 and set it equal to 5 items, integer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in fact, let's make this a little different. So let's do 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now let's print this out so it will stop yelling at me and we can see it visually. There you go. Here's A1. Now let's make a slice out of this array. So it's similar to how we've been doing before. Let's make a slice 3. I'll see what happens if I just do A1. Well, that would just turn S3 into an array, right? Because that's what we showed before. That S3. That'll just create another array. But we want to create a slice. So what you can do is you can say, I want from the 0th index up to and not including the 5th index. There is no 5th index, and so that will do 0 through 4. There you have it, and there's this first one is an array. It's fixed length. The second one is a slice. It is not fixed length. And if we wanted to, we could say, I want from the 1st index to the 5th, or up to and not including the 5th. There you have it. Now we just chopped off that first one. If we do 2, it'll chop off another one. And we can go to the other side as well. We could turn this to a 0. And let's say we want to go to the 4. Again, I just want to reiterate. This first number here is the first item that you want. The second item is exclusive. It says up to but not including this item. Let's go ahead and run that. There you have it. It chopped off the last item that time. We could as well just completely omit that first element or that first number, and that just says from the beginning I want everything. You can do the same for the end. You could just omit that second number. You have it. Same thing. It goes all the way to the end. If you really wanted to as well, you could omit both of them and just say, hey, I want just everything in this array. I want to turn it into a slice. So there you have it. That is how you can turn one slice and copy it into another slice, and how you can turn an array or take a slice of an array and turn it into a slice. There are some gotchas with this, and we're going to talk about this in the next video, but play around with it and see what happens. See what happens if you try to change certain indexes on one and see what happens with the copy. And this is what we're going to go over in the next video. Thank you so much for being here, and we will see you soon.